India has taken giant steps in developing its solar power potential, reducing costs and becoming the lowest power cost destination in the world. Geographically, with 300 days of sunshine and most regions receiving good 4.7 kWh per meter 2 per day irradiation, India is well placed for harnessing power of the sun.
We are standing in the site of a solar power plant being developed in Talod in the Sabarkantha district of Gujarat. This solar plant is being developed by Garuda Power, a leading solar system developer based out of Gandhinagar. Located at 50 kilometers from Gandhinagar, the solar plant houses around 1800 solar panels, contributing to the operational capacity of 600 kilowatt.
The solar panels installed in this project have been supplied by LUBI Electronics, a well-known solar panel manufacturer based out of Ahmedabad.
As an EPC, we have to procure best-in-class material in respect to site location for our client. We have to choose material very carefully. Recently, we have completed 600 kilowatt ground-mounted solar power plant in area of 11,000 square meter at Antroli. The site location is very near to Bevel mines. The site is to face land vibration frequently due to blasting Bevel mines. Our experience with LUBI since 5 years assured us for quality, performance and mechanical strength.
We have been supplying our solar panels to various projects developed by Garuda Power for over 5 years. We take immense pride in being the preferred supplier for such prestigious green initiatives that help make positive impact to the global climate scenario.
The solar panels used in the Antroli solar power plant have been manufactured using premium inputs, in adherence to global quality standards, for ensuring optimum output in difficult site conditions.
Our association with LUBI are very positive. Our core clients are fully satisfied with performance, and that's the most important source.
The Antroli solar power plant is expected to generate on the upside of 72,000 units per year, with an expected reduction in CO2 emissions on the upside of 18,000 tons per year. These are significant numbers. To avoid the worst impacts of climate change, emissions need be reduced to a level popularly known as net zero emissions. To achieve this, we need to end our reliance on fossil fuels and invest in alternative sources of energy like solar, which is available in abundance around us and is replenished by nature. It is time we minimize the use of fossil fuels and take necessary steps to protect Mother Earth. Let's go green. Let's go solar.